Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So the CVT transmission fuses, you have two fuses, guys. First, we're going to start by checking the fuse that's inside the vehicle. Okay, on the driver's side, the fuse box for the body control is, guys, under the dash. If you look upside down, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box. That's your OBD port. That's a fuse box under the dash. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way, guys, you will not waste your time and money on parts that you don't need. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we will need to check for the CVT, if you look at the fuse box, they're numbered 1 to 13 on this row, 14 to 26 here, and 27 to 39 here. The fuse that we need is fuse number 17, so that's 14, 15, 16, 17. That fuse right here will need to be checked, that 10M fuse. Now we have one more that you need to check. It's under the hood, guys, on your Honda Civic right here. That's the fuse box in the corner. If you zoom in a little bit, you can clearly see that's the fuse box there. Then here, guys, okay, we're going to zoom in a little bit so we can show you better. But here we have one fuse that we need to check for the CVT, and those could be a little bit confusing because they're a little bit chaotic fuses, guys. So we need to come, okay, in that row of fuses right here in the middle row. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see now. And we need to check fuse number 16, so that's 17, 16, so that 15M fuse will need to be checked here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.